a gorgeous day out there, perfect beach weather. And Mike, you know how you can also tell that it's a great day is that our parking lot is almost empty. No cars in it.
Yeah, I thought the same thing when I walked in. I was like, it seems a little empty in here, but then I remembered that it's a top 10 weather day outside.
Absolutely.
You can't beat days like this, especially in the middle of July. Here's a live look right now in Brownville. These are the puffy cumulus clouds that I've been talking about. Fair weather clouds, very high cloud base, so not a lot of moisture in the lower part of the atmosphere. Dew points are pretty low, and there really isn't even that much haze here for what you'd expect in July. Temperatures right now climbing rapidly to near 80 degrees, which is where we'll sit throughout the afternoon. We did put very, very small dents in some of our precip deficits yesterday, but still not nearly enough to make up for how dry things have been. And of course, that's not really a shock given the fact that yesterday's showers and storms were fairly scattered in nature. Not everybody even saw rain. I had so many people reach out to me and say, hey, I live on the mid-coast. I live in Newcastle. I live here. I live there. I haven't seen any rain today. And, it's that time of year where the coastline tends to be a bit drier. We are also in the hottest portion of the year, so we're right about here on our temperature curve. The highest average high temperature that we see every year is 80 degrees. That's July 24th. And we'll stay in this warm part of the curve here, of course, through August and into September. But by the time we get into the month of September, we do start to rapidly see our average high temperatures begin to drop back. And that continues into October and obviously bottoms out in the middle of winter. Currently, it is a bit breezy in some spots, wind direction coming out of the north and northwest, so this is part of the reason why we've got so much dry air, and anywhere that sees a bit of a breeze only has gusts to around 15 miles an hour, not anything all that significant. Pretty impressive complex of storms near Chicagoland right now, down through central Illinois, approaching the Indiana border in Indianapolis, and those are going to cross over Lake Michigan too. Clear conditions across the Northeast and New England thanks to high pressure in control. So this is why we are so sunny out there right now. Maybe a stray shower pops up across northern Maine, but I doubt that this will even make it to the ground because there's so much dry air locked in place right now. With temperatures staying in the upper 70s, low 80s, right around 80 degrees through the evening, it's going to be very comfortable. Tonight, clear skies will allow temperatures to fall back pretty quickly, but we do start to see clouds thicken up a little bit heading into tomorrow morning. I still think tomorrow is going to be partly to mostly sunny. I just think that this is a little bit too much cloud cover. A lot of that will likely end up more toward our south. A stray shower possible tomorrow, but I still think many of us again will stay totally dry. And by Sunday is where we start to see more of a regime change in our pattern, in that we haven't had prolonged heat and humidity yet this year. But as high pressure shifts east on Sunday, we shift our wind to be out of the southwest. That's going to pull in a lot of heat and humidity. And then we watch this cold front approach. Last Tuesday, we had some pretty significant severe weather across Maine, and I'm thinking that this coming Tuesday could be pretty similar because Monday will likely be hot and humid, one of the hottest days that we've seen so far this year with humidity on the way. So the weekend looks pretty good, much muggier by Sunday, but still both days, if you want to get outdoors and enjoy, should be good to go. Seas around 2 to 3 feet, northwest wind 5 to 10 knots, becoming southwest as the day goes on, and we kick up a little bit of a sea breeze. 7-day forecast inland 88 on Sunday and Monday. Some spots could hit 90 degrees. Tracking the timing of that front is a little bit tough Monday into Tuesday, but depending on the timing of it, I think that we could finally see our first 90-degree day at the coastline on Tuesday, which we've not seen yet so far this year, Beth. So things are certainly heating up for next week.
But looking good. Thanks, Mike.